So this morning we're gonna do an oil change on my 2010 Silverado. See if we can get mileage on there. 177,000. Marvel Mystery Oil. Got a motor flush. Then going synthetic this time around. And we got it right there. So let's start with the motor flush. All right. Just gonna get it put in there. Right. I've done that too many times where it started filling up and then, it would stop and start making a huge mess everywhere. And that's not a good thing. It's in pretty good shape. Pretty clear oil. Only about 3,000 miles on it. Take off that filter next. Ooh, oops. So 6.2 liter takes right at 6 quarts. It makes it easy. There we go. Everything's locked up. So I don't know how often you guys change your oil, or if you pay somebody to do it or whatever. I used to always pay somebody to do it. Never could guarantee the quality. So I was dating this one girl, and of course she did all these things herself, and I was like, oh, that's cool. And I'm like, well, I've just never done that before, so I don't know, what it takes or anything else. So she showed me how to change my oil. And ever since then, I've been doing everything on my car, to be honest. And that was only probably about five, 6 years ago, something like that. My vehicle's become a lot more reliable ever since. Hardly, I needed to spend quite a bit into it to start off with, just because of how little maintenance I had done to it.